So today is history class. Where are my Chinese masters? On your break?
Ma'am, we are in our Zoom. Chinese master is in Zoom.
Sivan, Tanishka, Vihan, where is everyone?
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. Wow, Vihan, that's nice. Very good. Ranjan, what are you wearing? Subhan, show me your outfit. This is looking cool. Oh, look at that Chinese guy. That's see that. See, even I'm wearing something like that. See, Tanishka, even I'm wearing something like that. Which is cross. Cool, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And just like you,
ma'am.
details. Look at that. This is
Yes,
how girls dress
ma'am.
up.
Same.
Yeah, see, even I have. Nice, that looks cute. And they wear a lot of things on their hair, you know. Very colorful and bright happening things. That's nice. And how do we greet in Chinese? Vihan, I heard you.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. So let us all join our hands, okay, and say Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
So which civilization are we learning today?
Chinese civilization.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so have you all read those pages of Chinese civilization?
Yes.
Have you? Oh, cool. So now I'm going to straight away get to questions. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Tanishka, she's all confident. She's saying, yeah. 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 Let's see. Yeah. Who is this? Yeah. Who has joined the classroom? I think Pranav has joined the classroom. Vihan, we have a new student from today. His name is Pranav. Wait, he's coming.
Who's
in.
coming?
Wait.
Who's coming?
Pranav.
Galaxy
I have one
J7.
more friend in grade 6 and his name is Pranav.
Pranav?
Pranav, can you put on your video so all of us can see you?
Oh.
Pranav, we can see you. Okay, so straight, let's get to China. So far in history, what did we learn to be the important thing that is required around civilization? What was the important thing that was required around civilization?
Society, food, amusement, occupation.
Okay, all those were important.
Astronomy.
But
Astronomy, food, medicine.
those are how the societies evolved. Those are how the entire civilization evolved in different civilizations, different eras.
Yes, ma'am. Their walls are also very different.
Sorry, what, Tanishka?
Their civilization.
So my question is this: one very important thing that was required for flourishing of civilization. What is that?
Rivers.
Rivers. Cool. Yes. So Mesopotamia, mein which were the two rivers?
Ma'am.
Euphrates and Tigris.
Euphrates and Tigris. Correct. In Egyptian civilization, which one was that important river?
Nile.
Nile.
That's
Who knows
so
in
big.
China, which are the three important rivers? Who knows?
Oh, yellow.
So I have one student who has definitely done his bit of reading. Good job, Vihan. Super. Thank you very much. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen
Ma'am,
to show you something.
I'm getting hot.
Sorry, what did you say, Tanishka? Feeling hot?
Yes.
Remove it. No problem. Remove that overcoat that you're wearing. No problem.
Ma'am, even I can.
Fan.
You want to? Yeah.
Fan.
Remove it. I thought if you're going to wear it, you'll feel good. But today it is a little humid. Yeah. Remove it. If it's humid.
Ma'am, can we just show our costumes before we remove it?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Sir.
Show your costume. Come on, Vihan, show me your costume. Cool.
Ma'am, let me show mine.
Nice. Yes, Subhan, show me your costume. Nice. Ranveer are looking like a warrior. Oh.
I'm looking at a warrior too.
Yes. Yes, Vihan. Show me some karate moves, please.
No.
Karate moves. Whoa.
Oh.
Yes, Subhan, show me some karate moves. Tanishka, show me some moves, some Chinese moves. You are wearing lovely costumes. Show me some Chinese moves. Oh, Tanishka will wear this kind of costume and give punches also. That's cool. That is cool. Yes. Subhan is getting ready. Oh dear. Oh my God, that was a leg kick. He gave a leg kick. Oh dear.
Yes.
Subhan gave a leg kick. That's awesome. Nice. Very good.
Please show your dress now.
You want to see my dress? Okay, here.
Ma'am, wait, I'm removing my dress.
Here. This is my dress. 1 minute. I have my head here like that.
Wow.
And I'm wearing everything that's red inside. And that's my costume. Can you see me?
Wow.
Yeah, can you see?
Yes.
And then the sash around here. They wear something called as a sash. So that's here.
Yes.
And that's my costume. Ni hao. Ni hao.
Wow.
Yeah, cool. Chalo, y'all are also out of your costume. I'll also take off mine. Yeah. Tell me, who said what? Yes, if you want to feel comfortable, you're going to be comfortable taking off your costume, go ahead, do that. No problem.
I'm already wearing red also inside.
Cool.
Mama.
Okay, come on, let's get back. Okay, you all can see my screen?
Yes, please.
All of you can see my screen? All right. Vihan, can you tell me what is this?
Something like
Chinese.
Are you Vihan? I said, Vihan, please tell me what is this? Vihan, can you tell me
this
what is
is
this?
Chinese clothes.
Chinese couple with a Chinese robe, yes. Subhan, tell me what is this?
Ma'am, what? What you have said, ma'am? China girl and boy.
I said, Subhan, there is
Ma'am, your sound is
something.
breaking so much.
Subhan, there is something that's come up on your screen. I'm just pointing out.
Yes.
What is that? What is it?
Yes, it's a Chinese fan. Yeah, Chinese fan.
Chinese fan. Tanishka, what is this?
Yeah. It is roll. Ma'am, Chinese roll.
What is it?
Spring roll.
Spring roll, correct.
Spring roll.
Yes. Ranveer, what is this?
Ma'am, what?
Dragon.
Oh.
Cool. Do you all have your
Dragon.
handy?
Ma'am, do you know the name Mulan? The movie Mulan?
Yes, I have heard of it.
I had acted in that as an ancestor.
Okay, cool, good.
And I was a headless man. I had my head. I didn't have my head. And my head was in my hand.
Cool, nice. Okay, take out your history books. All of you take out your history books. Okay, history notebook. This is your home assignment. Do you see this dragon?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see this dragon?
Yeah.
You have to draw it. You're absolutely right. In your art book, you are going to draw a Chinese dragon. Okay?
You gotta be kidding me.
In your art book, you're going to draw a Chinese dragon. So, what is it that we are looking to learn now?
Chinese civilization.
Thank you. So let's go on. Vihan, can you tell me the river names?
Oh yeah, Hawang Ho, Yangtze. Ma'am, Yellow River. Ma'am, Yellow River.
Yes, Yellow River. Yellow River. Which one of these are the yellow? Is the Yellow River? There are three pictures.
Ma'am, the downmost river.
Huang Ho is also called the Yellow River. Why is it called Yellow River?
Ma'am, because it is yellow in
its
color.
water is yes, ma'am. Its water is yellow in color.
Why is it yellow?
Ma'am, because of sand.
Because of sand. Good.
Yeah.
Your next assignment is to find out why is the Yellow River called the Yellow River. Next assignment. Why is the Yellow River called the Yellow River? Why is Yellow River called Yellow River? Okay, this is your next assignment. Okay, so we have so far learned how important it is to have rivers for civilization. How important it is to have rivers so humanity can flourish around those places, right? Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yeah, understanding? Okay, cool. Sorry, the screen got changed. Just one moment. Huh? Yeah, okay. So in China, there were 3 rivers which were very important. China is a huge country, okay? So in China, there were 3 rivers that were very, very important. The first one was Huanghe, which is also called the Yellow River, okay? Then there was another river called the Yangtze. And the third river was called the Sea River, okay? So this river that you see is the Yangtze River. This one is Sea, and this one is the Yellow River. Yes.
Ma'am, the Yangtze River, it is in a U-turn shape.
Yes. It is taking a turn around here. So now do you see the map of China? Can you see the map of China here? Okay. Vihan, can you spot me the Yellow River in this map of China?
Huanghe.
Yeah, can you see where is the Yellow River?
Here.
Yeah, can you show me the direction and explain like we do it in geography?
In bottom.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Ranveer, it is Vihan's turn.
It's in the bottom.
It's in the bottom. Which bottom? I'm looking for Yellow River. Where is the bottom? Which bottom? You have to explain to me how can I find Yellow River. Just the way we do it.
Here. It's a Yellow River.
Tell me next to what? Top, left, right?
Bottom to Hong Kong.
Bottom to Hong Kong is Yellow River. Ah. Da, 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 da. Bottom to Hong Kong. Subhan, can you spot me the Yellow River?
Yes.
Explain to me where can I find the Yellow River?
Ma'am, Yellow River is here. Ma'am, in here. Like this, in north, like this we have to say.
Yes, something like that. Yes. So I can locate it in this map.
Ma'am, it is in your west side.
Okay.
West side upwards near Beijing.
Okay. It is not west. Okay. Now Beijing.
East.
Correct. Beijing. What is the importance of Beijing in China?
I don't know. Capital of China.
Man, it is the capital of China.
Correct. Beijing is the capital of China. Okay, can we remember that? Welcome, Pranav. Finally, we can see Pranav. Say hi to Pranav. Hi, Pranav. How are you? Pranav, you would get a small update on your screen. I have just pressed you to stay unmute. उस button को press करो so you will become unmute. So you can, yes. Okay, Vihan, can you say hi to Pranav so he knows who is
Hi, Pranav.
Cool. Subhan, can you say hi to Pranav so he knows who is Subhan?
Hi.
Tanishka, can you say hi to Pranav so he knows who is Tanishka? Ranveer, can you say hi to Pranav so he knows who is Ranveer?
Hi, Pranav.
Okay, cool. Let's come back. Let's come back.
Hi.
So now, Tanishka, can you spot me the C river? It is either written as S-I or X-I. I want you to spot me the C river. You have to give me directions to get there. You cannot say niche hai, upar hai. Take me in the right direction to get there. Tanishka, I'm waiting for you. Yes, Tanishka, can you spot me the sea river? You have to spot me the sea river in this map. Tanishka, spot the sea river. Can you do that? Can you find out where is the sea river? Okay, I think Tanishka's screen is frozen. Ranveer, can you spot the sea river, please?
Ma'am, you go full south. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's a
Full.
good way of direction. Go full south. Okay, gone full south.
Ma'am, full south and right. If you where you see Hong Kong, over there you go a little and you can see that blue line, and there you see Guangzhou.
Yes.
And under Guangzhou you see that blue line, that is the sea river.
Wow, I like that way of explanation. That was really good explanation. I could quickly spot it. Vihan, can you tell me where is the Yangtze River? Give me the right directions to get there.
Here.
No,
I
no,
can't
here I can't see where is Yangtze. You have to tell me center, top, bottom, north, south, east, west.
Found it.
I can't see your screen only. Then my bottom of Beijing.
It is at the bottom of Beijing. Is that what you said? No, it's not at the bottom of Beijing. Subhan, can you tell me where is the Yangtze River?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Why
Yangtze
it is
River.
here in this map? Why? What do you mean you don't know?
Achha,
Look for it.
ma'am,
It is
in this map. Yangtze River, no.
Hey,
Ma'am,
Subhan,
Yangtze
I really
River.
think you're sleeping in between. I really think you're sleeping
No.
in between.
Ma'am, Yangtze River is near Chongqing.
Okay. And where should I find Chongqing? Where should I find Chongqing?
In your south.
My south is here. Is it here?
Ma'am, I know.
No.
Then where is it?
Sinchu Basin near. Ma'am, it is near west.
West. Okay, I'll go to the west. Okay.
Southwest.
Around the west, I can see Yangtze River. Yes, thanks. Now, near Yangtze River, there is one particular city that I can spot, which is very famous recently.
Wuhan.
Wuhan, yeah.
Pranav, can you spot Wuhan?
Wuhan.
Pranav, on your screen, can you spot Wuhan? Pranav, on your screen, can you spot the city of Wuhan?
Yes.
Where is it? Explain to me. Is it in the north, in the south, east or west?
Ma'am, can I tell it? In center.
Vihan, wait. Let's give Pranav the chance. Pranav, no asking anyone. The question is to you. You can look at the screen and you can answer. Is it in the center of your screen? Is it in the top of your screen? Is it in the bottom of your screen? Where is it?
Ma'am, on right side.
On the right side of what? My right side? On my right side is a wall here.
Ma'am, no, in the map.
In the map, right side of what?
मैम
राइट में? तुम्हारे राइट में या मेरे राइट में?
मैम वो वुहान के ऊपर.
वुहान के ऊपर क्या है?
हुएन.
I asked you to spot the city of Wuhan for me. Where is Wuhan? How will you tell me where it is? Quick, jaldi बताओ. Wuhan कहाँ पे है?
मैम
Vihan, can you tell me where is Wuhan located?
in center.
In the center. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's go on to the next screen. Okay. 1 minute. Yes. Do we remember all these points from our Mesopotamian and Egyptian civilization?
Yes.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
we remember?
Society,
Okay.
agriculture, agriculture, pottery making, woodwork, metalwork,
Trade, science and technology, art and architecture, script.
So that's how I did.
Cool. अभी तो सबको सारा कुछ आता है. Now, who can explain to me what is sericulture?
I don't know what's sericulture.
You don't know what is sericulture?
Ma'am, sericulture is something to do with dresses.
Dresses? Sericulture. What is sericulture? होता क्या है ये sericulture? Agriculture सुना है, vermiculture सुना है, sericulture क्या है?
Ma'am, stitching dresses, making dresses.
वो तो tailoring होता है. What is sericulture? सोचो.
Ma'am,
जिसने भी हिस्ट्री का वो पेज पढ़ा होगा उसको जरूर याद आएगा what is sericulture. Who can tell me what is sericulture? Was it there in the textbook?
Yes.
Okay. Who can tell me what is pot making?
Ma'am,
Yes.
making pots.
Making pots. Subhan, what is metal work?
Metalworks are the knife. Ma'am, they make knives with metals.
Knife, yeah. Knives, one thing that is made from metal. China is very famous for some kind of metal work. Okay. They make very fine metal work. बहुत ही artistic. That's why Chinese civilization में you have metal work specifically mentioned. Okay. तुम लोगों के घर पर do you all have a cup from which you drink tea, coffee or your milk?
Yes.
Yeah, all of you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
in your house?
Yes.
Okay. Have you heard of the Chinese cups?
No.
Have you heard of Chinese cups? No?
No.
Nobody has heard of the Chinese cups?
No.
No.
Okay. The name has, the Chinese cups have a specific name. By any chance, do you all remember that? Have you heard of the word China clay?
No.
Have you heard of the word porcelain?
No.
Porcelain jars, porcelain cups? Not heard? Okay.
No.
China is very famous for making a specific kind of clay with which you can use it even for kitchen items. Okay, so that started off in the Chinese civilization itself. So you will see that they also formed good, tiny, cute societies. They also did a lot of agriculture. Tell me one thing that China is very, very, very famous for growing in agriculture. Who can tell me? China is very famous for growing this thing in agriculture. Who can tell me? Rice, correct. And in fact, if you see, they're actually farming rice over here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
They're actually farming rice there. Now, what is this going on? Some culture, some time ago. Oh, sericulture. What is this? What's going on here? ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
Something like food they're doing with dhaga.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this? These are worms. These are silkworms, and taking the thread out of what
Ew.
and all. While wear silk clothes, no? सिल्क का कपड़ा, रेशम का कपड़ा पहनते हो कि नहीं?
Yes.
कहाँ से आता है? सिल्क वर्म से ही आता है.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are wearing silk clothes, then it is coming from silkworm. Unless you are wearing synthetic silk, then it is not coming from silkworm. But if you are wearing pure silk, it is coming from silkworms. That
Ma'am, is this silk?
is what silk?
I'm wearing cotton. I'm wearing cotton.
Yes. Cotton कहाँ से आता है तनिष्का?
Ma'am, cotton.
Cotton.
Ma'am,
Cotton कहाँ से आता है? प्रणव, cotton कहाँ से आता है?
Cotton plant.
Cotton plant. Have you all seen cotton plant?
yes, ma'am. I've taken out cotton also from it.
Wow, that's lovely.
Comes like circle.
Yes, it comes in tiny little cute buds and circles out of the plant.
Ma'am, I saw the Great Wall of China.
Yes, wait, we are coming there, wait. So sericulture is a form of taking silk out from silkworms. It started where? It started in China. Okay. Now what is happening here? Pottery making. Porcelain.
Yes.
This fine work of pot making started in China in the Chinese civilization. What is this?
Ma'am, when we have a snack break, it's 4 o'clock.
Arey, wait na baba. Wait. Who can tell me what is this? What is this?
Agriculture.
No.
Woodwork.
Woodwork. What is this?
Metalwork.
Metalwork. What is this? What is this?
Woodwork.
Trade.
Trade, yes. What is this?
Science and technology.
What's this?
Art and architecture.
Yes. And what is this?
Script.
Do you understand what are the differences? Yeah?
Yeah.
Certain
And first, yes.
the Mesopotamian civilization, then a few things added in the Egyptian civilization, like amusement and food and all those things, astronomy and mathematics and things like that. Now here, there is no astronomy, there is no mathematics specification because वो सब already system में आ चुका है. Now they started making newer things. They did woodwork, they did metalwork, they did potwork and sericulture. I need you to use that particular word, okay? Sericulture. All right? Now, what is this?
Great Wall of China.
Architecture, I think.
This is the Great Wall of China. Do you see कहाँ तक जा रहा है ये?
Very big.
Okay? All right. On that note,
Oh my God.
I'm going to tell all of you, bring your snacks, okay? Sit here eat your snacks while I am explaining the Great Wall of China. Is that okay?
Okay,
Yeah?
Yes.
Quickly go rush
Yes.
and bring your snacks. Only healthy food, chips विप्स लाए तो मैं ले लूंगी वहां से. Okay? Only snacks, healthy snacks. Bring it to the table in 2 minutes, and we are going to talk about the Great Wall of China.